Hi, lovely viewers. You guys already know who we are, the TKEE Squad Sisters. Today, we are going to be giving you guys something different. So stay tuned.
Welcome back, lovely viewers. Today we will be teaching you guys how to make slime, so stay along.
We have our materials here. We have our 3 glues, our 3 food coloring, our BioTrue multi-purpose solution, and our baking soda. First step, we are going to be pouring our glues into our bowls. Our second step, we are going to add a little bit of food coloring mixture into our lid. Just a little bit. Now we're going to mix. So guys, now we're going to add a little bit of our baking soda and mix it with our colored glue. Now we're going to add our BioTrue into the glue, but we're going to use only a little bit.
Now we stir. So guys, as you see, it's turning to slime. We're going to pick it up.
So guys, look at our slime. So if you guys want to know what you guys can do with this slime for the kids, you guys can play with it, you guys can mold it into stuff, and you guys can make fingerprints or handprints with it. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed our video. We hope you guys followed along. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your family. And stay tuned for more videos.
Bye.
Bye.